I remember those times when we did small. When rain fall, we will come out inside rain, come play. Make I see whether I will fit still do the same thing. Hey, rain, go away, come again another day. Hey, this guy, yeah. Oh boy, this rain could pass our own Nigerian rain. Oh. I want to see whether I think get inside rain. They play. Woo! Rain, go out. I don't even get fit inside the rain, so. Oh my God! What a rain, man! Boy, this rain, so you feel let us go walk today? Eh? What is this? Why you can't decide for Sukkot? Why? Rain? Why? I know it's a blessing, but at the same time, man, you for the fall for nights now. Nice, good for this kind of rain to fall. This is a night thingy, so that those way they like, they do fiki for rain, as they know the inside rain. When rain fall, you know, say that sound when they hit on your roof and with the rhythm of the twa. Hey, see, they make sense. This rain, they like say you will fall again this night. Why you no fall last night? Why you can't decide for this morning where everybody is prepared to go up? This ain't right. What have you decided to do? No, well, I don't soak myself. I don't soak myself for the rain. No, nothing. I'll go dry myself. But make sure say you fall again for night, Rain. Thank you very much.